Marcia Fudge.
What the hell
for
is wrong with
hosting us.
Hillary Clinton's health? Have a look at her 3-minute coughing fit as soon as she took to the stage in Ohio for her Labor Day speech, which she almost had to cancel because she literally couldn't stop coughing. This isn't a compilation of all of the other times she's had coughing fits, which is a common occurrence. This is 3 minutes straight. Let's have a
Every time I
look
think about
at
Trump,
just
I
a
get
sample
allergic.
of this speech, or her attempted speech.
Happy Labor Day. When we were trying to figure out where we could be, we all said, let's go to Cleveland. And I want to thank Congresswoman Marcia Fudge for hosting us. I've been talking so. Every time I think about Trump, I get allergic.
Pre-scripted little soundbite there from her team to try to get people to laugh it off.
Boy, we have 63 days to go.
Listen to her.
Well, thank you. Whoa.
They're cheering for her.
Well, you just
Okay.
heard the next vice president, didn't you?
This isn't like being looped. This is unedited. You can see.
In addition to
Oh
thanking
my gosh.
Marcia Fudge, so thank your great Senator Sherrod Brown. Also,
Second cough
Excuse
drop
me.
now. She needs another cough drop.
also, two other great members of Congress, Tim Ryan and Joyce Beatty. And your mayor, thanks to Mayor Jackson.
Is that a Hail Hitler sign she just gave?
And I hope that Ohio will send Ted Strickland to the Senate.
Oh my gosh.
Now, behind me are some of the great labor leaders of our country.
Doctors that you have injecting you
Randy
with
Weingarten,
who knows what to try to get you to be able to stand for
Lee Saunders.
more than 3 minutes.
Rich Trumka. I'm proud to be on the same stage with them because they're always fighting for working families.
Oh my gosh.
Now,
I thought that was just a
once I
conspiracy
get over
theory.
my allergic reaction,
Oh, there we go. Allergic reaction to Trump.
let me
Yeah,
say that
that's got to be what it is.
we're here in part because
Oh, are you finally
we
over
know
it?
how important this election is to
Oh, listen
Ohio.
how powerful she is. Listen to her amazing strength and stamina, guys. Oh, still
It's
not done
just,
yet.
As Tim said, that Ohio is one of the
Drink another glass of
battleground
water,
states you hear
and then the
about every
audience will
years.
applaud for you. Yay, she can drink
It's that
water.
Ohio represents
Oh, is the coughing fit
everything
done?
that's great about America
Listen to her.
and all of the challenges and the opportunities.
Challenges of your
that we
health?
face.
The health crisis you face. Oh my
That's why this election
God.